Here's a quick overview on how to configure the message events in a channel using Slack and Centro. Navigate to your Centro app home and then find the workflow setup. Then navigate to the message sent in channel and click either Edit or Enable. Once you have here, select New. Then choose your channel in which you want to have a platform event or a form pop when a message is posted. So I can just grab a standard channel here. Then I can either select the form that I want to pop when a message is posted, or I can leave the form set up blank and choose a platform event and name the platform event. Of course, I can also do both and have both a form pop and a platform event being sent. This can then be handled on the Salesforce side by a platform event flow, or create a record directly into Salesforce by selecting new opportunity, new case, etc. Those are the easy steps on how to send a platform event or pop a form from a message in a channel using Centro. Please reach out with any questions.